What's up, internet strangers? I am Seth from Mutant Misadventures, and today I'm going to get my first COVID vaccine shot. Dan's pretty excited. All right, I'm on my way to get my first COVID vaccine shot. The appointment was pretty hard to make. It took me a while to finally make it. But I finally got one, and now I'm going to the hospital, so let's see how this is. I gotta find the place and all that stuff, so hopefully there's some big signs or something. All right, this is the hospital. I don't know if this is the part of the hospital I'm supposed to be in, though, so I'm gonna have to take a loop and figure out where I'm supposed to be. Probably show somebody my, my appointment slip so they know what I'm looking for. Well, that's convenient. Another one right here. Excellent signs for people like me who get lost a lot. All right, this way. Lines, my favorite. We're getting close, like halfway through. We're going to one of these doors over here. So we're almost done. All right, I got all my paperwork done. Now I'm waiting in line to get my actual shot. Oh, vaccinated. You obviously can't see it though, but it's there. I know what you're thinking. Seth, where's the video of you actually getting vaccinated? Well, there are a lot of places where I'm not quite sure if I can get away with filming, and the hospital is one of those places. And I didn't want to get kicked out of the hospital after I finally got an appointment. So I didn't film when I was doing the paperwork or when I actually got vaccinated. Better safe than sorry. After you get your shot, you gotta wait for 30 minutes. So now I'm just waiting. Luckily, I brought my Kindle, so I got something to do. That was pretty easy. Make an appointment online first, which was the hardest part, took a while. Then show up. I got here like 30 minutes before my hour-long vaccine period. Waited in line, filled out some paperwork, showed the paperwork to someone else, got all my stuff scanned, and then got my shot, and then waited in like the waiting room at the end for 30 minutes to make sure that there was nothing wrong, and now I'm on my way. Now I just gotta find my way back to the metro. I assume all the post-vaccine stuff is the same regardless of whatever vaccine you get. It might be the same for all vaccines. For all I know, it's been a long time since I got vaccinated for anything. But no alcohol or seafood for a week after the vaccine. But I don't think that includes fish. I think it's just like shellfish and stuff. I can't get the place where you got the shot wet for 4 hours. I think that was it. I wrote the other stuff down just in case so that I wouldn't forget anything. But I think that was the stuff: alcohol, seafood, and getting it wet. Vigorous exercise, that was the other one. No vigorous exercise for a week. Probably gonna have trouble with that one, because I have martial arts classes this weekend. Maybe I'll take it easy. Probably should. And then after 4 to 8 weeks, I go back and I get my second shot. So 28 days is the minimum, I think. So after 28 days, I can go back. And it said 4 to 8 weeks, so I assume 8 weeks is the maximum before I've undone any work. But should be plenty of time to get a second appointment. 4 weeks of 4 weeks of time should be plenty, I hope. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, you can leave them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you all next week.